The Hiccupotamus by Aaron Zins. Read by Q's Realm Stories. There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lot of miss, and every time he got a miss, he'd fall upon his bottomus. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellowfant. He tried to tell her, "Elephant!" But it didn't go so well-a-phant. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. Uh-oh. He hicced by accentipede and tripped the elephantipede. Oops. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flosserous. His string went all crisscrosserous. And that was the last strawcerous. They tried to find a therapy, some cure which they could share-a-be, a what or why or where-a-be to stop this long nightmare-a-be. So, they wrapped him round with licorice and spun him very quickerish. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinny chin chinniger. And then, at last, a miracle. His hiccups so severical just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to earicle. Until... the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great stories here at Q's Realm Stories. See y'all next time.